What's up guys, I am Mike. And welcome back to Crypto Moon. And in today's video, we will talk about another high potential project called Stader. But before we begin, please be advised by our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So, without further ado, let us begin. Stader's vision is to onboard the next billion into the staking ecosystem. Serving several segments that have varied staking needs and aspirations isn't possible for a single application to do. Hence, Stader will build the staking Lego blocks to be the infrastructure middle layer that enables anyone to build staking and related products. The founding team of Stader have been in the crypto world for many years and have deep experience in staking and building mining optimizers. We have seen firsthand how difficult and effort-intensive it is to choose a mining pool, and we see the same happening in staking. We aspire to make staking effortless while unleashing several innovations on staking. While we embark on the journey of building cross-chain staking Lego blocks, it is critical for us to first demonstrate the success of the platform. We started our journey with Terra and Solana. Stader's modular approach. Given the countless possibilities on staking, Stader is building a modular platform which allows anyone to use Stader's pre-existing components to build their own staking solutions. As staking evolves over the next few years, our architecture allows flexibility to grow and incorporate new features day in and day out. Extensibility is woven into Stader's technical blueprint, with a system of highly interactive smart contracts. Incorporating a new strategy or pool would just require a few changes in a specific independent contract. How will Stader make revenue? In short to medium term, Stader tokens will earn revenue in three ways. 1. Distribution commission from validators, 10 to 20% distribution fees on validator commissions, if elected by governance stackers. 2. Commission on reward strategies, 2 to 10% management fees on rewards, if elected by governance stackers. 3. Commission on liquid staking tokens, 5 to 10% commission on staking rewards, if elected by governance stackers. Tokenomics. We have carefully designed the protocol's tokenomics to encourage long-term sustainability of the Stader platform. The total supply of Stader tokens will be limited to 150 million. The distribution of Stader tokens has been planned to incentivize the community to own a majority of the network, while also reserving a suitable portion of Stader tokens to incentivize third parties to build on the Stader platform. Rewards plus farming, 36%. Release schedule based on individual rewards program as determined via governance. Team and advisors, 17%. 6-month cliff followed by linear vesting for 36 months. Private sale, 17%, TGE unlock, 0 to 5% of allotment unlocked at TGE. Vesting, linear vesting across 36 months post-TGE. DAO fund, 15%, to be determined through governance. Ecosystem, 11%, 0.5% to 1.5% to be unlocked at TGE. Remaining to be determined via governance. Public sale, 4%, refer sales structure above. And now, let us visit its Twitter page. As we can see here on its pinned tweet that states, "Missed out on a crucial SD dollar token launch update? Don't worry. We've got you covered." Stader joined Twitter back at April last year and currently has 59.5k followers. And if you want to stay updated about Stader's latest tweets, be sure to click that follow and bell button to stay updated. And here are some of its investors: Pantera, Excel, Amber, and many more. Its networks are Terra Labs, Solana Foundation, Near. And that is all for Stader. Come and visit our channel, subscribe and watch out for our next videos here at Crypto Moon. Thank you for watching.